Leading lines are a simple but dramatic way to make a difference in the composition of your images. You can use them to create a depth of field and lead the viewer to focus in on a subject. Leading lines can be found everywhere, man-made and in nature, so always keep a lookout for them. Take a look at this example here. So here we are set up on the wharf. We've got a really nice shot here, and we're going to start to show you how to use leading lines. So let's move back a bit and get a shot without leading lines. One of the best tools you can use is actually your feet. So if you step back, change your angle of your camera through a little bit and start to pick up the lines which direct our eye directly through to the model, and looks really good that way.